Our planet's wildlife is facing unprecedented threats. But in the fight against extinction, conservationists have a powerful new ally: artificial intelligence. It's a high-tech shield for the world's most vulnerable creatures. First, AI for anti-poaching. Drones equipped with AI-powered thermal cameras can patrol vast reserves, automatically detecting poachers even in complete darkness. AI analyzes ranger patrol routes and predicts poaching hotspots, allowing for more effective deployment of resources. It's a game-changer in the fight to protect elephants, rhinos, and other endangered species. Second, AI for population monitoring. AI analyzes camera trap images and satellite data to identify, count, and track individual animals. This provides accurate, real-time data on population sizes, migration patterns, and habitat use, which is crucial for effective conservation strategies. It's replacing months of manual work with instant, actionable insights. Third, AI for habitat protection. AI analyzes satellite imagery to detect illegal deforestation, monitor the health of ecosystems, and identify optimal areas for reforestation. It helps conservationists understand the complex interplay between wildlife and their environment, guiding efforts to restore and protect vital habitats. AI is helping to heal our planet. AI is a critical tool in the race to save our planet's biodiversity. Support conservation organizations that are leveraging this technology. Subscribe to Boomin AI to explore how tech is protecting the natural world.